Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab, select the shape button, adjust the shape, change the color, select the color, adjust the color, and then select another shape, adjust the shape, save the shape. To back the color white, select the erase color, 3D shape, select the extrusion, copy the shape, select the copy option, select the another copy, select the shape of fruit, select the size, change the background color, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.